We know that 50 squared is the same as 50 times 50, which is 2,500, because 5 times 5 is 25, and if we have two end zeros in our question, we need two end zeros in our answer. So what is 700 squared? It's the same as 700 times 700, so that's 490,000, because 7 times 7 is 49, and then because there are 4 end zeros in our question, we need 4 end zeros in our answer. So now how can we work out 800 squared? 800 squared means 800 times 800, which is 640,000, because 8 times 8 is 64, and we need 4 end zeros in our answer, because we have a total of 4 end zeros in our question. Now we have something squared equals 1,600. This seems confusing, but we know which number squared equals 16, because 4 times 4 is 16. Now there are two end zeros in our answer, but if we've squared a number, we have multiplied it by itself, so there is only one zero in our missing number. So 40 squared is 1,600. We could also say that the square root of 1,600 is 40, and this symbol here is the square root symbol. When you see this symbol, the question is asking you which number you need to square to get the number next to it. And notice that your answer is just the number, so in this case it's just 40. You don't need to write 2 for squared next to it if you're being asked for a square root. Now, what squared equals 40,000? We know the square root of 4 because 2 times 2 is 4. And now, because there are 4 end zeros in our answer, we need 2 end zeros in our missing number, because when you square a number, you multiply it by itself. How else could we put what we have here? We could say that the square root of 40,000 is 200. And here we have something squared equals 810,000. Now we know the square root of 81. We know that 9 times 9 is 81. And now, because there are 4 end zeros in our answer, there must be 2 end zeros in our missing number. So 900 squared equals 810,000. How else could we write this? We could write a square root symbol next to 810,000, and then we get our answer of 900.